if you can see me, but welcome to another video. Welcome to Eagles Overlanding. We are currently sitting in Walmart waiting on Chris with Fast Track Overland. We're going to do some camping, and then next day we are going to install some lights on this truck. So it's going to be a fun weekend, and then I leave for Atlanta for work. So fun weekend, busy weekend, but anyway, let's do this.
What the fudge? We're rolling down now. Oh, dude, this little spot is rad like Chad, dude. You're gonna love it.
Looks like we made it. And we met up with Chris. He also brought a friend. So yeah, out here for one night, but tomorrow we got big plans. To this gal, can't wait. You notice I'm using my phone because the lighting's better.
Yeah.
Than my camera.
At nighttime, it's the best thing to use. Hey, by the way, this is the new. Her name's Shop Cat. I know that's a weird name. But yeah. she's my Overland kitty.
Anyways, we're gonna figure out where we're gonna park, set up camp, and chill, because I haven't done that in a long time. So see y'all probably tomorrow morning. So just wanted to hop on here and show you what I'm eating for dinner. I'm having Lunchable chicken nuggies and an orange Fanta. So we have a big thunderstorm or rainstorm, or
I
both.
would say just a rainstorm. It might be a thunderstorm. The radar shows it's just going to be real quick and blow through here. So
See, you probably hear the wind right now.
just wait it out, man.
There's lightning over there, and yeah. I'm gonna put my tent back up that I already set up, and we're just gonna wait it out. And when it finishes, we'll get back out and everything will be normal again.
It could dissipate before it gets here.
That would be nice.
Yeah, that would be nice.
But I'm gonna enjoy my nuggies, and then I'm gonna put my tent away. And then I'll probably catch you tomorrow. Anyway, peace out. Good morning. It's cold. So Chris called me while he was in the tent and was like, "Sir, it's cold. I'm going to the shop to cook breakfast and all that." So we're currently packed up real quick and we're out.
This campsite gets an A++ rating. What do you think?
I agree. It was very nice.
It was even more beautiful in the morning.
Yeah, and I didn't get any video of it.
I hope my cat doesn't poop in my truck this morning.
But anyways, yeah, that was camp.
Hoping when I get her to the shop, she'll poop in her box.
So anyways, that was camp. This is Poto Mountain Road. It's about 45 minutes from where I live, which is pretty nice. So it's a quick spot to get away to. It overlooks Waldron, but we're headed to the shop and we're gonna install some rock lights, my LP9s, and ditch lights. We're gonna try to do those today. If there's time, we're gonna do a rack up here and something else. I don't remember. Anyways, see you guys at the shop. Good morning. We made it to the shop. Chris is gonna make some breakfast. It was way too cold when we woke up. We were so not prepared for that at all.
Because it was freezing.
It was freezing. So he's gonna make breakfast in his shop, and then when we get breakfast going and, you know, put in the bellies, we're gonna install some stuff on the rig. So yeah. I also wanted to hop on here and give you guys a sad, terrible, don't know how to feel about it update. My four-wheeler was stolen. So if you guys, I'll put a picture up here. If you guys see it, holler, let us know. It was stolen from the shop I had taken it to. But anyways, there's other things to worry about right now than a four-wheeler. But it'll get taken care of. Anyways, see y'all in a bit. say this is a first, eating breakfast in his shop. First for me. I think he's done it. But looks fantastic, so we're on feast up. Update you guys on what we've done so far. We've made the bracket back here for the LP9s to sit above the winch, and Chris is finishing up making the ditch light mounts. So yeah, he's got one right here. He's so blurry.
It's coming along nice, yeah.
Anyway, that's where we're at right now. I need to quit saying anyways, dang it. Keep saying anyways. Once we get those done, we're going to put the lights on, get them bolted in place, probably wire them up, and we'll do rock lights. So yeah.
Oh yeah, it's plenty stout for holding your light.
Alright, Chris, what are we doing?
Freezing.
Are you freezing?
No, that's what my wife said in the last video. I just thought it'd be funny. We're gonna see if this wiring is right.
Red is, nope, other way, nope.
Man, that is bright, dude.
Yeah, I'm a little disappointed, dang it.
Dude, I thought those things would be brighter than that for $600. You know what?
No. Oh, shoot. My camera can't even register that. Wow.
Strobe it.
When the Switch Pro gets here.
Yeah.
Well guys, I think this is going to conclude the video. We got all the lights installed. We still got to do rock lights and Switch Pro. We'll probably do those hopefully next weekend. But anyways, everything's looking great. Chris did an awesome job. He's over there. He's looking for, or was looking for leaf springs because mine are flattened out. So that's got to get fixed. But everything looks good. He did good. We're tired. We'll tackle the next project next weekend or whenever there's time. So, be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Do all those wonderful YouTube things. And I will catch you in the next video.